My name is Christopher Williams. Maybe a bandolo name, but that's how I on my birth paper. My niece, after me hear some my niece missing me there work, I drive, me operate a tractor. When my sister-in-law called me and tell me say my niece missing, I couldn't work for the rest of the day. I said, no man, I no real thing. So anyway, I go home, get bed, and I head to Milk River Station. When I go down to the station, I see my niece's father and his cousin-in-law, that are my niece, cousin, girlfriend. So after one time, I go in the station, I hear she make report to the police. Tell the police my niece and how much money a man give my niece. 30, 45,000 them, they are not nothing. And him collect him most of the time. Because I lose my niece. And me get upset and go cuss bad word in the station. Because I job back and I say, you claim to say you're not a family because you're a cousin-in-law and you say that about my niece. He must say, I know the man killed my niece. And my cousin on my side, no, I have one friend where he give my niece man friend. So I say, I take up for the man. You take up for the man. You know something about my niece, you know. And him did a chat and I talk about say, after I said to her, say, you a big woman and you should have seen that my niece now take money from the man. And you are up already. He say, but Derek a big woman. And I said to her, say, so where man live? He say man live down there, so he only want to tell me. So I say, he man have somebody live with him, say man a married man. Alright? After that now, we tell the police, say, I down there so a man live, but we go down there go search for the man because the man live a foreign, he a citizen of foreign, so he can go at any time and we can't find our niece. And me deeply know say something wrong. The police look at me and tell me say we have to be careful what we are say because my niece man can sue we. So I say what you mean by sue? In my last person because I have the voice note. A voice note where pass that for me. I have a voice note where the man where my niece sent to me sister. You understand? I have a voice note where my niece sent to my sister. So this man I person of interest. This man I last person my sister meet. My sister got him left out to go to. So him.
How this make you feel? How do you feel about all of this?
Right now, I still a shake and I can't believe. I can't come to myself, you know, say, them do my sister like this, them do my niece like this, because his sister, his mother call me and tell me, say, brother, go look for your niece because they kill me pitney. And he knows say they kill him pitney. And so she said to me, and I said to her, say, I try to comfort her, and I said, don't worry yourself, me not think Derek will die. This is the voice note where they send.
Somebody did come pick up and
let me play it.
I got working about half day. Somebody did come pick up and phone and that's why I got work. But I come to me standing in there. Just wish I'm not ever to.
So the man now carry what my niece go back and Mapen, let her off. And then I'm just assuming because we find him down there. Because then we just say, I know down there she there. So I'm just assuming say, him no want to look no way. If he say, boy, him kill my niece. So he carry him go back and Mapen. His father see my Mapen like about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, he say 4 o'clock sometime there. And then he go pick him up and carry him go to Milk River. And that's all. We go find her down there.